Hello, students. This will be kind of a review week for you. 3 days of multiplying fractions, and then I'm going to ask you for 2 days to do some independent things on either ST Math or Cool Math to kind of just review some things you want to review on your own. But the first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, will be multiplying fractions. Should be a review for you. I know we've covered this before, but I thought it was kind of a good point to just kind of pause here. And just do a little bit of review this week and maybe even next week. So with multiplying fractions, it says here, multiplying fractions is very easy. All you do is multiply across the top, which we call the numerator, multiply across the bottom, which we call the denominator. So to show you what that looks like, okay, multiply across the top, 4 times 6, okay, that's 24. And then multiply across the bottom, that's the denominator. 9 times 8, okay, that's 72. Okay, so pretty easy stuff. Just multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. Yes, you could reduce this to lowest terms. I'm not going to ask you to worry about that right now. If you want to, please do, but I want you to just kind of remember the concept for now. So just practicing a couple more. Again, multiplying across the top with your numerator, 3 times 4, okay, that's 12. Multiplying across the bottom in your denominator, 7 times 5, okay, that's 35. So your final answer of 12/35. Going down, multiplying across your top, your numerator, 8 times 3, yes, that's 24. Multiplying across the bottom, your denominator, 10 times 4, yes, that's 40. Okay, so your answer 24/40. Yes, you could reduce that to lowest terms. Remember, we had second PRB on our calculators, or GCF. The greatest common factor of 24 and 40 is 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Okay, so your original answer of 24/40 could be reduced to 3/5. Again, don't worry about that if that looks unfamiliar or confusing. I'm just concerned that you understand the process. But if you want to reduce the lowest terms, please do. Again, continuing here. 5 times 11, that's 55. 6 times 12, that's 72. Okay, going down further, 9 times 5. Okay, that's 45. 15 times 9, that's 135. All right, and then dropping down, 12 times 3, that's 36. 14 times 6, okay, that would be 84. Oops, sorry about 84, looks a little sloppy there. Okay, so that's basically a review of what you'll be doing. What I'm going to ask you to do for homework today is to do the worksheet A, and it has a space for you to put your answers on the next page. So same thing, multiplying across. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 times 14, that would be 126. So you have 8 over 126. So you would go down here, put as your answer 8 over 126. Slash, because you can't really do a fraction like we would write it. So 8/126. Going back up to the top here. All right. We have 4 times 10 is 40. 8 times 14. Okay, 8 times 14 is 112. So you'd have 40 over 112. Okay, so again, you go down here, 40 over 112. All right, so you will do that worksheet for classwork today. Tomorrow you have worksheet B, and then Wednesday you have worksheet C. So again, review week for you. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any problems, reach out and let me know.